Queen talk something where actually make me motivated or just make me get better smile for my face. She say, yes. As I was, what's it called, a montage just they play. She say, moments of truth. Yes. This one at the moment of truth. On top. Today go day very wonderful because today is a wonderful day. Today is Monday. And Monday is a beautiful day on Talk. But, make I just introduce myself, Jerry. My name is Uvi Ehigiavusoy, and today is our Motivational Monday. We go get one cadet guest we go join us inside the studio today. We get our motivational quote of the day. We get our better manners of the day. We get our cocoa of the day, waiting they hot. Even motivational video. All of them now we put together to give you this gorgeous and beautiful afternoon then. But since I don't introduce myself, the ladies then. Beautiful, wonderful. The ladies will be saying no matter the kind of circumstances, that they always shine. They always talk them as it be. They not they allow the circumstances hold them down. If you like you bring smell from anywhere, they go push and go one side. They go talk. Make I just hold for them.
We'll be the perfume of the world.
They'll be the perfume of the world. They're going to talk about themselves one by each.
So you feel like you actually miss your calling for inside this world. You're supposed to be like motivational speaker or mother in Israel, you know, Mommy Gio. When they say, okay, so our pastor has traveled to Dubai, we go come step and say, oh, children of God, hallelujah. On that note, welcome now to Talk. My name is Betiana Unweli.
My name no change, so you mean Amaka Okudiafo. Simple lady. Amaka Okudiafo. All right, my owner Queen B Obalu.
Amaka, you not saying
Obalu. Today.
I said you that.
Just they motivated as they look me so.
You know what it could be?
Because the kind race where I run before I reach here. I dey travel my owner from Benin to Abuja. I won't go today. But I don't know what's in they hold me down. Amaka,
You never buy shoe.
You want to travel today?
I'll buy shoe.
I want to use leg go.
No, I'll buy shoe.
You know what? Everybody knows say Amaka na the chorister of the house. Once Queen B call her name, she'd always shout, Obalo. But what did happen today, Amaka?
I lost my voice.
Voice not call my name.
All right. Why Amaka the lost her voice? Why Queen B they look for motivation to travel go Abuja? We go need to motivate them and even Betiana with this motivational video. So you wait there out there, watch the motivational video and be motivated.
But I tell you, there are some times in life where you fall down and you feel like you don't have the strength to get back up. You sort of put a mask on your face when you come to school and pretend that everything's okay when it's not, and you go home and lay in your bed when no one's looking at you, when you don't have to impress anybody, and you're yourself. And fear comes in. You know the fear that you have as soon as you walk into the doors of your house. Maybe there's a broken home. Maybe you have doubt in your life. Maybe you don't know for sure what's going to be happening in the future and it scares you. Maybe you're worried about what people think of you, what people say about you. Just that fear paralyzes you. And I just want to ask you today, do you think you have hope? But this is the thing. It should be impossible for me to get back up, but it's not. You see, I will try 100 times to get up, and if I fail 100 times, if I fail and I give up, do you think that I'm ever going to get up? No. But if I fail, I try again and again and again. For as long as I try, there's always that chance of getting up. Does that make sense? And it's not the end until you've given up. And just the fact that you're here should persuade you that you have another chance to get back up. There's still hope. I'm not here today to tell you that I understand your pain. I don't know how it feels to be abused. I don't know how it feels to feel, quote, fat and you've got an eating disorder. I don't know how it feels to have a broken home. I don't know how it feels. I don't know how it feels to have a broken heart. like this. We're all going through something. We're all trying to find that something, that happiness. You can find it. Picture yourself in an open area. There's no buildings and there's no shelter. And there's a storm above you. And this storm represents the situations in your life. And you don't tell anybody what you're going through because first of all, they wouldn't understand. And second of all, they can't even help you anyway. You're in this storm and you're down on your knees and you're cold and you're weak and you feel like this is the end. Are you not still here? You are still here. Let's do it. Let's wake up. Embrace it, man. Let's live. What do you want to do in your life?
Wow, wow, wow. As in, you know, what is motivational saying sometimes, say they go an extra mile to make you understand, say that thing where you they actually go through, not just your mindset. If you feel come out from your mind and just bring in happiness, then people go, they look you, they wonder, say, not be this person will be saying, mama and papa don't break up. Not be this person will be saying, mama, they always beat him. Why, how come it is smile like this? Now for you to just change them, change that situation, change that challenges where they face to positive things for you. We'd always bring you this video to move you, to make you understand, say, come on, you feel change that situation where you did.
And you know what's sweet me? Say, all of us, they go through something.
Thing
all of us, they go through something. But our own feel they different. Yeah. Your own feel be say the shoe where you wear, they pain you for leg.
Yes.
My own feel be say my head, they itch me because it don't take. And this one maybe stomach, they pay her. And this one maybe headache, they worry her.
Yeah.
And somebody, maybe something they smell, I know if you come up for the environment. Everybody gets waiting they do. At a particular time. Now you go come reshape. Now you go come reshape yourself.
We talk.
What do you decide?
One very wise man tell me one day, he say you be product of waiting you give your attention to. So at the same time, when anything where they happen to you, waiting you arrange your psyche to actually focus on now waiting you go eventually get. And like the video talk, the man say, if I fail, I go try again, I go try again, I go try again. So I not be failure until I decide I won't give up.
So now when you, that's why again, as children, if you notice, some people will say, hey, why did they give the children game for school? Now just to try your effort, as in, you go always fail. Failure now for human beings. Now when you lose, now you don't count yourself out. So you go encourage your children to abeg maybe they play game. Fail, they repeat them again. Be like this game where they trend now for our phone, Candy Crush. You go there for one level for like 2 months. You see they play them. You don't want to leave that part. So hey,
and then concerning this failure thing where you talk, it just remind me of something. You know, some parents, maybe your pikin fail for school, they'll come say, oh, shame, go catch the pikin, they go check the pikin in school. I actually feel say the pikin supposed to there because I go use my own self as an example. When I've been there SS2, I actually repeat the class because I fail maths. I always talk about. I fail maths, I repeat SS2. At that time, I feel say my papa na the most wicked man for this world. Say, change my school because I know say he gets everything where he need to actually change school for me. But he tell me say no. So those people where be say them be your juniors before you go back, go meet them. So that's the way it make you fail. You go conquer them and then you go pass. And actually, in a part of waiting don't shape me today because by the time you change the pikin, what if something, you get one thing where it be said the pikin actually need to face for that school, you can't change them, you help them, depress them. He never go, he did depressed inside the child mind, one place or the other. And at one point in the pikin life, maybe when the child don't want 20 or 30, the thing can't come out again, and it go there very difficult for the child to actually put their self into it. So let me your pikin, advise them, encourage them, make them face their fears, make them face all their challenges, so that at the end of the day, it can make them stronger.
Yeah, more often the people they forget say life na one step at a time. Because more often people just feel say, I need to rush and do this thing, I need to rush and do that one. Like you just talk, this failure of a thing. If you they rush do things, trust me, you go miss one step. And life na step by step.
Simple, as in just simply put, if you rush am, you go miss one step, and life na actually step by step, one step at a time, you go actually get there. So I beg, get positive attitude no matter the situation, no matter the situation. All right, time now which for us to enter Wetin Dey Hot. And our first story for today on top Wetin Dey Hot, it concern the man where he promise say he go waka from Lagos, waka go reach Abuja if General Muhammadu Buhari win the presidential election. So now remember Suleiman Hashim, the guy where he talked 2 years ago, say if he win, if Buhari win, say he go honor him by trekking from Lagos to Abuja. Now the man don't actually fulfill the promise where he make, because now he has come and trek from Lagos, go reach Abuja. They say this is journey, so he started journey March 29. That one a day after the general, after they declare Buhari as the winner of the presidential election, will take place March 28. Now, and I need to understand. So when this man arrive at Abuja, the kind welcoming way we see, it be like when King just come. The kind entourage we start to follow him. It be like when King just come. They say while addressing men, he described the experience on road as adventurous and remarkable, as he don't meet different people where don't hear him and don't show him better care. Now waiting come outside talk. And he talks say he work from 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. every day. Every day. And he dey sleep for inside the nearest village where he find himself until morning. After then, he go continue his journey 6 a.m. the next morning. Now, plenty people don't come outside and say it is a big lie. You not actually trek him. You not trek go Abuja in just 23 days. How possible is this? It is impossible. Now, plenty people don't come outside talk. Now, we won't bring and come here for us to put our mouth inside. And I believe, say, this man actually used 23 days trek from Lagos, go Abuja. And if so, you think, say, this one will motivate other people to take challenges?
Well, first of all, I would like to see that shoe when you use trek all the way from Lagos enter Abuja. I want to see where the sole of the shoe don't pieces reach, because I know say Nigerian roads, if you want trek them, you go actually need to buy very, very original shoe, and that original shoe you gonna say when you finish now condemn you go enter. But on top whether I believe or I no believe, I'm not going to say it dey impossible, because nothing will be impossible for this life. Once you put your mind to them, it actually dey very possible. But for me, I feel say I still get questions where I want to ask, because I know that even for Obodo, if they want to do this kind of thing, I go get people where be say go actually follow them, to monitor them, to make sure, say yes, so you say you actually check for 23 days, and actually we follow them, and we did now this one we no use any mago, we no do any wururu take achieve the aim. But this one we no hear of anything. They say video day, we never see video. All these hearsay, I know they like them. So I go say I no believe. No be say it no they possible, but I no believe. And again, I don't already they irritated by the fact say another person don't come and say he won't do them again. Because for Nigeria, once one person do one thing, it is successful. Everybody want do them. The other time when Pikin hide for inside propeller of plane, before you know, like 3 Pikin don't begin they hide for inside. Maybe the Pikin parents go say, oh yeah, you go, I go drop you for airport. Once you read that, see that way be like fun.
Because they celebrate the Pikin now, they give her money.
It's ridiculous.
It's ridiculous.
Oh, you go sapro.
See, Batiana, only Nigeria now we they celebrate failure in another level. You go see politician we carry money chop. And when it come community, everybody go leave waiting they do where they feed down. Chamo, do. You go see Pikin where they do Yahoo for area. They go say, boss, yes, boss. Everybody call her yes, boss. Then you see girl where they stand for street for night, auntie. Everybody call her auntie for street. Now only for Nigeria they happen. But for this guy, we celebrate you, say you even bring out the idea, say you want to do them. But I really want to know, for Nigerian roads and this country, we no say NEPA, no they get some villages where no get lights. How you take, who go with? Because if they say camera day, if they say video day, what do I expect them to do? They don't need to edit them.
No, they go do edit.
As he travel from, okay, most say from Via here to Aja, they release the video on YouTube.
Yes.
Timing day.
Yes.
Okay, from Ekpe to Shagamu. Timing day. Make we bombard our YouTube with that so that we'll get history. But hey, sorry, our librarians don't get anything to keep. At this moment,
no, then get something to keep. We waka from Lagos to Abuja.
Okay. Saying they meet the emirs, they meet the emirs of Bida to later.
They greet them, yes.
Oh. And again, the one we pay me now, the new man, and we don't know how healthy it is because this man, this other first one we do, you go no send a person where they do sport, they very fit by main scene now. We don't know what's in the inside do. But another man wants check from Yola.
He is motivated.
But this man is
All the way from
motivated.
Yola.
You know the beauty about everything, we say nobody send them. So if you walk out from Yola, you reach what's the name of that Benin corner where you say a death trap before you reach Abuja. Oh, anywhere where you reach, if you buy for them, nobody even know you. You buy on your own because what's be the exact aim of say okay, person win, you actually check.
Yeah, to say they solidly behind you and
I
there's
have nothing.
no to make it cuts the amount of car where they enter this country, make all of us start to
Madam,
check.
respect
You know who
yourself.
want follow
No,
check?
just
No, they talk all those kinds of things on top air.
Who want follow check?
No.
now what's in team?
Take it back.
Okay, sorry.
Now you go check the check.
Mona no check go village.
Now I will give you my check. You can't talk
check
about
all of us,
that.
check
Check all
for
of
us.
us, check for us. No need to worry. Anyway, the only way they pay me about this situation now, true, they no get. No, seriously.
I know.
How the man want to
Honestly,
tell me
they
say
vex.
waka from Lagos reach Abuja? Say what happen? We they use car. We they use car. No wetin they face. The person where they use leg want to say, I reach this village, I can't sleep. The test any village where you enter, they go gree you sleep.
Exactly.
You just enter there. The email go tell you say, excuse me, I know you. Where you come from?
No, maybe they sleep for hotel.
Okay. Even if they sleep for hotel. Oh, yes, I know how the policemen or whatever they follow them. You get convoy where they follow them with car, they get ambulance and everything where they follow and they drive.
We now know that one, Cha.
Well, may we believe
Now what
say
is
we don't
supposed
dey
to be with that?
advance.
Now what is
It's
supposed to
not
be with
really
that?
supposed to be like that.
It's not, it's supposed to be.
No, my
If you
love.
want trek and the whole people know say this guy want trek go so and so place. Now planned the agreement.
Now, what Queen Bee talk, that video, you supposed to upload them. No, but the police have to protect the states. They don't want to go they follow you where you decide on your own, so you want the trek.
No be say
I
you
don't
want
understand
one for
you. I
aim.
don't get it.
Now only
okay,
you
it's
decide. say-
supposed be. May we say it's supposed be. But whether it no be, we no know. So you go waka doing your own waka now, you don't reach Abuja. Congratulations. So that's if truly you waka the waka, congratulations. Like we talk, you no go bad if you fit show us the shoe, how the shoe take be, all the small, you know, how you take spend for night, not the place where you take branch for night. You no go bad if you see all those footages. At least we say we doubting Thomas. I be doubting Thomas. I dey doubt. So if you give me proof, may I put my hand see the shoe, I believe say you check the trek.
You know what? Just last year on top of the morning show, we're actually bringing one guy, Lola, plenty people watch him. We talk say he want travel around the world with just one small plane.
Okay.
Yes.
Just one small plane. And believe me, for like 8 months now, he still dey plan am. Because not be beans. And now only he go dey inside the plane.
Yes.
So now he want install camera where be say once he stop for one country, he go upload the video.
Immediately.
Make people know say
We don't get
see
that
wetin-
Now plan work with
immediately.
that.
see what I dey see for inside the air, see the kind this, see the kind that, everything what I dey see, make everybody see if I go one Scandinavian country, make people see as in
How the
how
people
they
dey live and
suffer,
everything.
see the food where they eat, see where they sleep. As in I believe say things like this go fit make people believe say, oh yes,
Yes.
it is true.
And the motivation will come there for real.
Now when
No
you
be the one
land,
where go just
you
tell
look
me
like
say
person
waka
wey
go
don
come
sleep
back.
for AC, like for 8 days. You don sleep for inside AC. People supposed to see and say yes.
And again,
you really,
you know, with this modern day where we don't get technology, we get selfie. If me,
for
wise
everyday
one,
selfie.
every village where I go snap picture of the village. Welcome to.
the only thing wey
That's
they
what
give
we
us,
want.
the only picture wey they give us now when you don't go see one emir,
when they shake the
when you
emir.
don't see chairman, you understand. I'm not talk say.
You know waka the
say
waka.
you know waka the waka. Maybe you waka the waka now your leg go tell you. I'm not say you know waka the waka, but the thing be say, things like this we need more than just coming out to say I waka
And it's supposed
23
to be
days.
exhausted.
More than this, you supposed
But
show
when I
us.
feel say 23 days,
You know what I actually expect from this journey? I expect you to come outside and talk, say, do you know that there is a town called so place where people not even get water? Do you know that there's a town called so place where people not even get
And you
school?
drink wetin dem drink
Do you
for
know
that
there's
place?
a town
Live the
called,
way dem
do you know
live.
that there is this food? Because you walk out from Lagos to Abuja. There are some small villages, even in that Edo state where I know, where when you reach there, you go no say, yes, I don't enter villages where they very, very...
True, because now leg it take. It doesn't na car it take, go say go take express or unless they want tell us say na express you waka.
Even if you pass express lead to another village.
But
Before
you
another
know say
village.
express sometimes you no go do them the
No, even though you pass express.
So if
Congratulations to you, you don't meet Mr. President. The one where they embark
yeah.
on your own journey now. I just proceed.
That one.
No, you may want go Yola. For me, yes.
No, Yola
from
was
Yola
not
to
Abuja.
Abuja. From Yola, you may want to do from Yola to Abuja. Yes, you can do it if you want to do it too. But
You
the
can
thing
make
is,
it if you
yes, the thing
really
is, say
can.
go the extra mile to prove to us, say now wetin you do be this. See how the journey be. I know the challenges. Tell us the kind of sickness. It's not possible. So in 3 days and you not feel sick.
See how this guy defeats. Make it sure him before. He suppose they dehydrated. His hair suppose don't grow as a man.
He's a
He go
strong
don't
man,
dark
a
pass
strong
as he be. What distributed
He's
like
a strong man.
We
All
next
right.
story.
Okay, the thing is say we're going to back small break, but you were there out there. Tell us what you think about this particular man. Where he talks say if Major General Muhammadu Buhari retired win and the presidential election March 2018 go waka from Lagos to Abuja, and now in the waka from Lagos to Abuja don't prove to us say yes my leg can do it and I waka for 23 days enter inside Abuja. You feel say you actually do the waka or something help him to do the waka. Just enter Twitter at TokTok put your mouth for inside there, or you enter our Facebook TokTok-Wazobia TV. Will they come back after this break?
Will you help them?